Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you my third nail design, which came out absolutely stunning. I love the outcome. So if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video to support my channel's growth. Okay, so I am showing you what products I'm using, which is from these two are from Modelons, and then I'm using, well, I decided not to use this, but I'm showing it to you anyway. It's brand new. I was going to do a review about that one, but I don't see the point at the moment. Anyway, I am coming in with this hot pink only at the cuticle area and then blending it down after I clean my brush. So my tip for cleaning a brush and making sure that you have a very good blend is using a wet wipe. That helps a lot with blending and smoothing a transition, sort of having a smooth transition. Anyway, yes, so this is what I'm doing so far. This is my 4th video out of 5 series, and I think this one is one of my favorites, to be honest. Unfortunately, the camera didn't catch a lot of well, not a lot, a bit of the process, but that's okay because I managed to save the most important bits. Anyway, now I'm coming in with this beautiful shimmer blue. I think it came out absolutely stunning. It complements everything by adding this color on. I didn't think it will, but I was very pleased with the results. And the same, I just faded it downwards a little bit. Now I'm coming in with Builder in a Bottle, sort of milky white from Nayo Nails. And firstly, I'm starting with a thin layer, and then I'm getting a tiny bit on my brush and putting it right in the middle of the nail and spreading it nicely. At the same time, I am going to turn my hand, my nail, the other way, so the gel can easily go to the right place and create my apex, which the nails are pretty long, so I need a really good apex. I don't want to feel like they're gonna fall off or hurt me in any way, and the apex is there just for that specific reason. Plus I think it looks beautiful. Anyway, so this is it. So if you have a look at the transition between the hot pink, the blue, sparkly shimmer thing, and the white, it became kind of like from a darker color to a very light shade. And now I'm coming in with a design made out of black gel polish. I thought it was simple, elegant, and it definitely complemented the whole nail. Now I am a little bit out of shock here and there, but as I said, I managed to save the most important bits, which is literally just this design. It's quite simple, easy to do, and fast. It didn't take me very long at all. Anyway, I'm just coming in at the end with a dotting tool and the same black color, and I'm adding some dots around, which unfortunately I did not record, but that was it. Just some dots here and there to sort of make the artwork pop up, a little bit more. But that is it for this nail. I am looking forward to showing you the other nail, my last video of the series, where I create a 3D flower. Yes, it's a 3D flower, but I'm also sort of combining the 3D flower with some aquarelle design under it. So I think that's one that I was most proud of. I completed it quite nicely, and I can't wait to show you guys. So if you're looking forward to that one, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out when I send it out. This is the final result, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.